Hi guys, doing and welcome to another Arc Garage video. A little while ago I presented you my latest project, the Alfa Romeo 166, and all of the problems it has. One of those problems was the low clutch separation, so in this video today I'm gonna go over the obvious symptoms, possible causes, and I'm also gonna show you what I had to do to get this issue fixed. Now let's go over some of the main symptoms when it comes to low clutch separation. The main symptom is of course going to be the trouble selecting gears. This is accentuated when it comes to first gear and reverse. The second symptom is going to be the grinding noise when you go from one gear to another. The main causes of this could be the clutch linkages or bushings, the master cylinder which is located behind the clutch pedal, slave cylinder which is located on the gearbox or inside the gearbox, or you could have the hydraulic leak. In some rare cases you could have an issue with one of the components inside the gearbox itself. First thing you need to do is check your brake fluid level, since it's also shared with the clutch system. If it's very low, you can be sure of a leak. Since I had the low brake fluid level, I also removed the carpet above the pedals, and as you can see right here, I got the oil dripping on this rubber mat, so I can be sure that the master cylinder is bad. After some painstaking work, I was able to remove the old master cylinder and fit in a new one. Sadly, I wasn't able to film it due to the confined space. As you can see, this one right here is all corroded and it's leaking oil. Even the rubber bushing at the end, which is connected to the clutch pedal, has deteriorated. After further inspection, I've decided to replace the slave cylinder as well. It didn't leak oil, but as you can see, it's in quite poor condition. It's all corroded, and the rubber boot which protects it, it's all gone. Now, luckily on this car, the slave cylinder is located on top of the gearbox, while on some of the other, it's located inside the gearbox itself. So the gearbox has to come off to do this job. Here's our slave cylinder. As I said, it's located on top of the gearbox, and this is actually where I also bled the system after replacing both of these cylinders. Here's our new master cylinder. I didn't want to put the protective covering back yet. I wanted to make sure that nothing leaks, and after I've done that, I'll put everything back together. So that did the trick. The clutch separates great and there is no play in it. That would be all for this video. If you liked it, hit the like button and support our channel by subscribing.